This makes removing fur from everything super easy. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this pet hair removal tool. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a great reusable pet hair remover. So Greg tested this out at his house on his kitty fur. This thing is so easy to use. You do need to assemble it out of the box. The handle and the cleaner are inside. Basically, you screw the handle in and then you pop the cleaning tool into the end of it and get to cleaning all of that fur. You just move it back and forth across whatever you want to clean and it's going to trap all that fur inside. You can use this on just about anything, including your clothes, bedding, furniture, and it's going to eat that fur right up. To clean it, all you have to do is pop it open, and then you can use that little scraper tool, you know, the one that fits inside the bottom of the handle, to take the fur out. Look at how much fur this thing cleaned up. The best feature of this is that it's reusable. And when you have a multi-pet household, being able to fill this up and empty it is a huge bonus. And since the handle pops off, you can easily travel with this as well. It's easy to use, it's easy to empty, and best of all, it picks up a lot of fur. We recommend this.